Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about acids, bases and salts. This is part 2. If you didn't see my part 1 video, then go and see that video first and then see this video. I will give you that video link in my description box. Now let us start our video. In this video, we will learn about chemical properties of acids and bases. The first chemical property of acids and bases is that acid plus base gives salt plus water. Like you can take acid, which is HCl, plus base NaOH. Here Na gets attracted towards Cl and becomes NaCl, and hydrogen gets attracted towards this OH and becomes H2O. See, here NaCl is a salt. Like that, you can take so many reactions. Like you can take HCl and you can take NaOH. You can take HCl and you can take KOHC. HCl plus KOH gives us KCl, potassium chloride, plus H2O. Like this is one chemical property of acids and bases. Now next chemical property is that if an acid. Now in this video we will learn about only the chemical property of acid. In the next video we will learn about chemical property of bases. In this video, see, here acid while reacting with metal, acid plus metal gives salt. 1 minute. Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. In acid plus base, salt plus water was come in. Here in acid plus metal, salt plus hydrogen gas will come. Like you can take acid, which is HCl, and a metal like zinc. While reacting, zinc gets attracted towards Cl, becomes ZnCl, zinc chloride, ZnCl2, ZnCl2. ZnCl2, and here there is only one H ion, this becomes H2. ZnCl2 plus H2 gas will evolve. This here ZnCl2, zinc chloride, is a salt. You can take another example like H2SO4 plus Zn. Again I will get zinc and you will get ZnSO4 plus H2 gas, hydrogen gas. Here ZnSO4 is also a salt. Another chemical property of acid is that if an acid reacts with an metal oxide, here what we will get? See, here metal oxide. In my metals and non-metals video, I said you that metal oxide are basic in nature. That means indirectly we are putting base in the acid, or we are putting acid in the base. Here acid plus base gives salt plus water. The same thing will become here, because metal oxide is basic in nature. That's why acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. Like here, if you take HCl, hydrochloric acid, and CaO, calcium oxide, then here calcium gets attracted towards chlorine and becomes CaCl2, calcium chloride, and H gets attracted towards O and becomes H2O. And here you can balance the equation like this. Here calcium chloride is a salt and H2O is a water. Next, another example also you can take. Like, again I will take HCl and magnesium oxide. Here, magnesium gets attracted towards chlorine and becomes MgCl2, magnesium chloride, and H2O. Here, magnesium chloride is a salt. Next, another chemical property of an acid is that if an acid is reacting with metal bicarbonate or carbonate, metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, you will get salt. Here salt plus water you will get, but with water you will get CO2 gas. Acid plus metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate gives salt plus water plus CO2 gas. Like here acid is always, sometimes HCl is very easy to make reactions. Like HCl, which is an acid, plus Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Reactant gives, here this Na gets attracted towards chlorine, NaCl2, sodium chloride, which is a salt, and you will get H2O, hydrogen gets attracted towards oxygen, and you will get here CO2 gas. CO2 gas is also evolved. Here NaCl2 is a salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. This is acid plus metal carbonate gives salt plus water plus CO2 gas. Now we will see with metal bicarbonate, like HCl plus, again we will take here, now we will take sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate gives, again this sodium gets attracted towards chlorine and becomes NaCl2. 1 minute. HCl plus sodium bicarbonate gives NaCl2 or NaCl you can take. NaCl2 not, it is NaCl. NaCl plus H2O plus, here also you will get carbon dioxide gas. Here this is an acid, metal bicarbonate gives acid plus metal bicarbonate gives salt plus water, again plus carbon dioxide gas. In this video we will learn about acid plus base gives salt plus water, and acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas, and acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water, and acid plus metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate gives salt plus water plus H2O. Thank you.